Hello, good people, and welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here, we learn, we connect, and we grow. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create, apply, and delete custom views in Microsoft Excel. This is a very helpful feature when you want to show different versions of your workbook. So as we always do, join me in Excel and let's go through this in 5 minutes. So here I have this financial model. I have my summary page here, my assumptions, my scenarios, schedules, and financials. So usually when you do a financial model, you may present to the client. So what you want to do is to keep different versions or different views of this workbook. So what we are going to do is to save 3 different views. One which shows the full model, the other which shows just the summary, and then the other that shows the financials. Okay, so to do that, you can go to View, and under View, you see Custom Views. An alternative is to press Alt-W-C, okay, and this brings you to Custom Views. So always start off with the default view. Okay, so that is the default view to help you reset. So this currently, all the sheets showing is my default view. So I'm going to add this. So you click Add. Okay, you have options to add print settings and hidden rules. We'll leave it as it is. And we click OK. So for default view, we see every sheet. Now the next view we are going to use is the client view. So for the client view, we just want the client to see just the summary and the assumptions. So what we are going to do is to select cover, select scenarios, schedules, okay, and financials. And then we'll hide these sheets. So the client is going to see only summary and assumptions. So Alt-W-C, and then when the dialog box pops up, this current view I'm seeing, I'm going to add it as a client view. Last view I want is the financials. So I can right click, go to unhide, then I will unhide financials. Okay, so when financials pops up, I can now go to Alt-W-C and then add this as my financials. So this is the idea. We now have 3 views. So when you are presenting, you can press Alt-W-C, okay, and then these 3 options pop up. So I can go to the default view and show, and then I have all the tabs showing. Okay, I can also do Alt-W-C, and then when it pops up, I can show the financials. Okay, so this will now give me the 3 pages. And then if you want to come back, you can press Alt-W-C, and then you can go to the default. Okay, so it's a very useful feature when especially you are doing a presentation or sending workbooks across. The idea is that you can also delete Alt-W-C, and you can delete the ones that you don't need right here. So as we always do, please take the learning, practice, and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list where you receive our videos directly. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. Please visit, subscribe for notification of new videos, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.